how to set spoken responses in Siri on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Siri and search. In Siri and search, okay, you can see here this Siri responses. Okay, you can tap this. Here in Siri responses, you can see this spoken responses. So this spoken responses is set into automatic. So if this set into automatic, Siri will use on-device intelligence to automatically determine when to speak. And if you select the prefer spoken responses, Siri will speak when possible, including when silent mode is on. So, okay guys, I decide to set into prefer spoken responses. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set spoken responses in Siri on iPhone X.